Hey, if you cannot connect headphones or speaker to your Realme 12 5G, let me show you how you can try to fix this. So first of all, you have to go into the Bluetooth, and now I'm gonna unpair my device. And first of all, I can highly recommend you to turn off Bluetooth on your phone by clicking on this switcher. Next, you have to grab your device and simply perform the reset or enter for the pairing mode manually. So in my case, in this Sony headphones, I have to turn it off, and then I have to click and hold this power button one more time to enter for the pairing mode. Now I have to wait until my indicator starts blinking, just like this. And now I just enter this new pairing mode. Also, you can try to perform the reset, so you have to actually search for some tutorials on the YouTube or Google, or take a look for the user manual. And after you enter for the pairing mode or perform the reset of your device, you have to just turn on the Bluetooth back. And now from available devices, just select your headphones. In my case, I already got this pairing notification. And as you can see, I am successfully connected. So that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.